Hey, if you want to record the screen on the Poco C85, first of all you have to open the quick settings panel like so. You have to slide into the, oh that was the misclick, we have to slide into the left side and click on the edit button. And now all we have to do is just to search for the screen recorder. Now just click and hold it and drag into the first menu like so. Then click done. Now click on the screen recorder icon. And after a few seconds we have to grant permissions into the screen recorder. So as you can see over here, before we start recording, we can also click on the settings and change some options. For example, if you want to change sound source, let's say you want to record your microphone and the system sound, you have to select both of them. And now we have to grant permission, of course. And then just click on this red button to start recording. Don't worry, this panel will be not visible on your record. And when you click on it, you can expand and click to finish. Now all of your screen records you can find by clicking on this folder, so you will be redirected into the screen records.